So in this video I'll be showing you and also teach you how you can remove a background from an image or a picture that you want to use for another thing else, especially for a graphic designer that you want to make use of a picture and that picture or an image is having a background to it in which you know is going to be disturbing and distractive on your design. So you know it's very necessary. In fact, that is the first thing that need to be done, removing background from the image. So there's this free site in which you make use of it. So if you don't know about this or you haven't come across this very site, today you will be introduced into it. It has been existing for long and you can make use of it to remove your background for free. You know, Photoshop and other apps and sites that you can remove background, some of it may not be free, or if you have to export it, it will carry a watermark on it. But this, you export it without any watermark attached to it. So what is the name of this very site? It's called Remove BG. Remove BG. BG means background. So when you come to your Chrome, this is my Google Chrome, you go to your search bar, you click on your search bar and then you type, you see recent search, but let's type it down again. Remove Now that you've come to your search bar, you now type on remove BG. Good, it means background, and then you search for it. Alright, this is it. I've been using it to remove background from my image. And what you can do with this, you can also change background on it. You can do what is called magic brush. If there is any part in which you want only that part to be erased from the picture or image, then you make use of it. Now how do you achieve that? Let's say you want to you make use of the magic brush. If you want to make use of the magic brush, you have to select it in particular. But if you didn't select it in particular and you come to this aspect of upload, this is where you upload the image to remove background completely. Let's go with this first. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your gallery. Go gallery and then you make selection of any of the image you want to make use of. Let's make use of this again that I've removed the background already. So when you just click on it, if you have a good internet connection, in seconds it's going to get your work done. So while you wait, background removed. And when you are going to export this, it's going to maintain its own quality, and you can also export it in higher resolution, but you will have to do what is called unlocking. You have to unlock it, or you make use of the free download. It's going to be free without payment, and your quality is going to be maintained. Now this is where you add your background. If you want to change a background of this image after removing it, you search, you look, just check one that suits you, and then you click on any of it. In seconds you have your background done. So this is for removing background and changing background in case you want to do that. But if you have your background already, you want to make use of it, then after you've removed the background of this image, you now go straightly to maybe the app that you use, or the tool or website or software that you use for your design, and then you now import and add that background you want to make use of. And now here, this erase and restore, you can increase the size of your brush and you can decrease it. Good. What this does is, if you don't want any parts on the image, let's say there's a particular place you don't want, then you just brush on it and it's going to remove. Yeah, let's wait for it. You see the part, that leg, from that leg aspect, how do they call that ankle? Yes, from that ankle has been erased. If you want to restore, you click on this restore, and then it's going to restore your former background. Remember, your former background is going to restore your former background. Are you getting it? But yeah, for this, if you want to restore back this leg, you see this very aspiration, maybe there is you made mistake to point or click something else, you just press on this, is going to take it back to how it was. So this is how you make use of this aspect. And then effect, if you want to blur the background of this very image, you now play around with it to blur it. And if you want to add shadow, you click on it. So you see how the background is getting blurred. Are you seeing it? This is the function of this aspect. So this is a wonderful tool. When you create design, if you click here, it's going to take you directly to Canva. Hope you know about Canva. It's going to take you directly to Canva, where you can further edit this video. So this is for this very one, removing your background. You can remove your background and then you download it. It's going to maintain its quality. You export it, and if you want to change background to the image, you can also do that right from this remove background. If you want to remove any part, you erase it. If you want to restore back the background, you can do that. So this is it for this video. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to give a like to this video and then subscribe for more insightful educative video of value. Thank you for tuning in. Leave in your comment if this works for you, or if you know about this already, and you can also suggest more video titles or topic, or what you want me tutorials to show you about. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.